This will be a speed test between the iPhone 11 Pro Max versus the Xiaomi Mi 9. Now the iPhone 11 Pro Max, this one has the 813 Bionic chip, 4 gigs of RAM on iOS 13, and it's pretty slick, pretty cool midnight green colorway, which I do like how that looks. However, the fidget spinner or the shaver camera setup, not too sure about that one. But let me know what you think in the comments down below. Xiaomi Mi 9, as you can see in this pretty cool gloss black or piano black kind of colorway. Almost looks gunmetal depending on how the light hits it. Pretty cool as well. Triple camera setup, etc. Pretty good device, this phone. Snapdragon 855. This bad chicken has 6 gigs of RAM, Android 9 on its latest version of MIUI interface. Turn on both at the same time, see which one has a faster boot up. Let's go. Who's gonna win here? Xiaomi or the iPhone? Ooh, the Xiaomi out in front. And we are in. All right, let's go ahead and swipe over where all the apps are. And then as you can see, there's nothing in the background on the Mi 9. Same thing on the 11 Pro Max. All apps, all caches, browsers have been cleared. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Ooh, maybe the iPhone messages. Very close. Maybe a draw on that one. We'll take a look at the camera right now. And let's go. Give that to the iPhone. And then we do have the clock on both. Whoops, mistouch. And what is this? No thanks, whatever. And then we'll go to the stopwatch and then leave that running in the background. Safari and Chrome. All right, let's do a search for, I don't know, Samsung. And then let's see. We'll click on this one, go. And then, oh, what's this? Cross that off, go. Ooh, a little bit faster on the Mi 9. Samsung Galaxy A50. We'll click on learn more. And I don't know what happened here. Okay, let's just search for something else. Let's go to GSM Arena. GSM. Go. Oh, a little bit faster on the iPhone. Ad came up first. And then let's just go all the way down. Nice and fast, the scrolling on both. As you can see, we'll check out the desktop version on both. And which one will be quicker? Oh, call that one a draw. Pinch to zoom, nice and fast on the Mi 9. Also nice and smooth on the iPhone. We'll click on this Galaxy Fold article here. We'll check this out. And a little bit faster on the Mi 9. These ads came up first on it. Pinch to zoom again. Pretty good performance on both overall. We'll open the calculator real quick. Identical. And then the App Store, Play Store. Okay, we'll do a search for my favorite. It's already right there. And do the same thing on the iPhone. Okay, about the same. Not really a big difference either direction. And we'll click install and get. Nope, leave it there. Amazon shopping, let's go. Oh, a little bit faster on the Mi 9. We'll click on the deal of the day. Mistouch. iPhone's lagging a little bit here. What's going on? Maybe it's my finger, not sure. eBay. Faster again on the Mi 9. Let's see, let's click on, let's see. We'll click on this tool set, this battery, and we'll just leave it there. And onto some games, Mario Run. Mi 9 out in front, I think. Oh, and give the win to the Mi 9. Tap to begin. Oh, but the iPhone with a comeback. As you can see, we do have Temple Run 2 on both phones. Lost Jungle. Oh, and the Mi 9 out in front again. We'll give the win to the Mi 9 on that. And then what is this? Some random pop-ups. Super annoying. And then Angry Birds 2 on both. Starting up and logging in on the iPhone. I think the iPhone's gonna win this. Yup, and give the victory to the 11 Pro Max on this game. As you can see. And then we do have Asphalt 9. Let's see. Asphalt 9 Legends. Who's gonna win this one? Who's gonna win? Oh, and give the win to the Xiaomi Mi 9 on this game. And then we do have PUBG Mobile, of course. Gotta check that out, right? Gotta have PUBG. This one, I've noticed the iPhone always wins, but we'll see what happens. Yup, give the win to the iPhone on this. How far back is the Mi 9? Still loading on the Mi 9. All right, not too bad. Not bad overall, I'd say. And then we do have Photoshop Express on both phones. A little bit faster on the iPhone. Okay, let's see, it's this picture right here. Now this is an 8K image that I have on both phones. And what can I choose right now? I'm gonna go ahead and choose Charm. And then I'm just gonna choose Charm 1. Charm 1, that's what it says. And then jack this filter up to the max. And then, looks different though on both. And then go ahead and just press that. Faster on the 11 Pro on this step. And then save on the camera roll and save to gallery. See which one does this faster, and let's go. Faster on the iPhone, as you can see. And then some social media apps. We do have Twitter on both phones. Faster on the right. And then Instagram. Oh, about the same, but a little bit faster on the Mi 9. WhatsApp, faster on the right again. And Snapchat, Xiaomi Mi 9 out in front. Let's go ahead and take a look at the RAM management on both phones. On a side note, I do like how my UI does the app switching here. Pretty cool. So let's just go ahead and run through these again. Look for any hiccups, any stutters, any signs of lag. See how they handle all these apps in the background. Looking good so far. PUBG, good to go on both phones. And then Asphalt 9, still there, same place. And then we have this one. Angry Birds 2, a little bit of a lag on the right, but it still kept it there though. And then Temple Run 2. Oh, we have a reload here on the right, as you can see. And then Mario Run. Mario Time on the iPhone. This one is reloading the game. And then eBay. And kept it in RAM, but slow to recover. And then Amazon. And again, slow to recover. Kept it there, but just slow. A little bit of a lag. Play Store, App Store, same place. The calculator, a little bit of a lag on the right. The browsers, and this reloaded the page. And then clock, still running the stopwatch, as you can see. And then we'll have a quick look at the camera again, see which one will reload this faster. Go. A little bit faster on the left. And then we do have messages. About the same. And finally, the phone app. And a missed touch on the iPhone. You get the idea. Boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Are you an Apple iSheep rocking the brand new iPhone 11, 11 Pro, or the 11 Pro Max? If you have the iPhone XS or XS Max, are you gonna make the switch to this phone? If you have the original iPhone X or iPhone 10, iPhone 8, iPhone 7, or even a 6S or 6S Plus, with a headphone jack. Are you gonna switch to this phone? Or are you a Xiaomi fan? Do you like Xiaomi phones? Like this Xiaomi Mi 9, the Xiaomi K20 Pro, or the Xiaomi Pocophone F1, which I'm looking forward for a Pocophone F2, by the way. Not sure if they're gonna come out with that. I think they should. That'll be a hit. Anyway, let me know what you thought about this matchup in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.